This is your Range Master, Shane Rock of Trustway Shooting Range. For today's video, let's talk about proper grip, sight alignment, and trigger control. Okay, let's talk about proper grip. Proper grip. This is your strong hand. Dapat, ang paglagay mo dito ng iyong kamay, dapat higher as you can. As you can see, wala siyang patlang or puwang dito. Now, this is how you hold your strong hand into the firearm. Now, this is my left hand. Ilalagay mo siya dito sa puwang na ito. So, dapat wrap around siya. Wala siyang makikitang space. Yung percentage ng grip mo, for me, equal lang. And the grip should be firm and the muscle should not be tense. Hindi mo kailangan manggigil. Okay, let's talk about proper sight alignment. Sight alignment is the relation of the front and rear sight. Meaning, itong front sight and the rear sight should be aligned together. Ang sabi nila, equal height, equal light. And then, kapag na-align mo na siya, you point it into your desired target. Now, lastly is the trigger control. The trigger control. The two common mistakes of trigger control are flinching and jerking. What is jerking? Jerking is a sudden pressure you put on the trigger. Madaling salita, pagkakalabitin mo siya, para mo siyang ini-slap. Binibigla mo. So, ang mangyayari nyon, gumagalaw yung baril mo. The flinching. Flinching is the anticipation of the recoil. Dahil sa isip mo, puputok na siya, ang gagawin mo, pipigilan mo siya. Nakita nyo, nagno-nose dive yung barrel. So, also, that will affect your precision. Now, let's talk about the proper trigger squeezing. Now, nakita nyo kung paano ang proper trigger squeezing. So, the technique is, once nakalabitin mo ng dahan-dahan ang trigger, so you're squeezing like a lemon. Mararamdaman mo meron siyang wall. When you reach the wall, mararamdaman mo meron siyang konting tigas. But still continue to squeeze the trigger until the hammer falls without any extra movement. So that's it for our tutorial. If you want to learn something more, just visit us here at Trustway Shooting Range. Alright, this is your Range Master, signing off. Range is clear.